Hello, welcome to an e-demo, part of our video intelligence series, on how to configure a crowd formation alarm on VideoEdge to detect when a crowd is forming in an area. In this scenario, we have an area of the building which occasionally sees crowds gather. This is a health and safety risk, and we want the security guard responsible for the area to be notified of when this is occurring. In order to do this, we need to set up a crowd formation alarm on our VideoEdge. So the first thing I'm going to do in Victor here is expand out my recorders folder, and I'm going to right click on the appropriate recorder and choose configure. And that's going to open up the VideoEdge administration interface, and I'm going to just choose the setup icon next to the camera that I want to configure my alarm on. Okay, so with the camera configuration loaded, what I need to do is first of all select Video Intelligence from the Video Analysis drop-down. And then I need to make sure that my camera is in one of the two recording modes that allows us to do video analysis. So that's going to be record always with alarms or record only with alarms. And these are the last two radio buttons up here, and I have that selected. So I can go ahead and save that camera configuration. And as I'm saving it, VideoEdge will create a second stream on the camera if I don't already have one available. Okay, so now I need to actually configure the alarm itself. So I'm going to choose Alarms under Devices here. And I'm going to choose my camera from the drop-down list. And I need to choose the plus icon to add a new rule. And the first thing I need to do when I have my new rule created is give it a name. And I need to choose the type, which of course is crowd formation from the drop down there. And then I can go ahead and configure this crowd formation rule. So first thing I need to do, of course, is ensure that the alarm is enabled, which it is. And the first setting I need to set is the overlap setting. And this defines the percentage of the object which must be in the region of interest in order for it to be counted in the alarm. And it's a slider here. And I'm just going to choose 50% there, which means that 50% of the person must be in the region of interest before they are counted as part of my crowd. Next thing I need to do is specify the number of people I would like to be in the crowd before my alarm triggers. I'm going to set that to 7 using this slider here. And with that done, what I need to do now is to draw the region on the camera view that it's going to be monitored for the crowd forming. With the pencil and rectangle tool selected, I'm just going to draw it on the scene here. And with all that configured, my alarm rule can be saved and it can now be used.